Is it true people once built towers instead of air conditioners? Yes. But first, the simplest cooling trick. In ancient Egypt, people hung wet papyrus cloth on windows. Hot air passed through the damp fabric and became cooler. Then came wind catcher towers. Built on rooftops, they grabbed the wind and sent cooler air through the building. Later, people used fans with ice. The air became cooler, but the room became very wet. Today, one button can turn your room into Antarctica, if nobody complains.